Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to admit automatically in Google Meet. Are you tired of manually admitting people into your Google Meet sessions? Oh, if you want to automatically admit participants as they join, this tutorial will show you how to set it up easily so you can focus on your meeting without interruption. So first, open your browser and go to meet.google.com, join an existing meeting by clicking on the meeting link or entering the meeting code. Alternatively, you can create a new meeting, which we're going to do by selecting new meeting and clicking on start an instant meeting, so it takes you to the meeting window. So once you're in the meeting, you are now set to manage participant settings. Currently, Google Meet does not provide an automatic setting to admit participants in all meetings automatically for regular users. However, there's a way to make this process smoother in certain cases, especially if you're using Google Workspace features. For regular users, no way, but there's a way to make the process smoother in certain cases, especially if you're using Google Workspace features. So adjust the waiting rooms for Google Workspace admin. I am not a Google Workspace admin, I'm just a regular user. So some of the things I'm going to be saying may not be seen here. So Google Meet provides the quick access feature that allows participants to join meeting automatically without waiting for host approval. This is only available to users with Google Workspace accounts, and here's how it works. For hosts, as the meeting organizer, when you set up a Google Meet session, you have the option to enable quick access. When quick access is turned on, anyone who is in your organization's domain can join the meeting automatically without being admitted. After starting the meeting, this is how you can turn on quick access for your meeting. Click on the vertical dot in the bottom right corner of the screen and select Settings. Now, under the General tab, which is here at the left corner, click on the General tab. Toggle on Quick Access. Now you can see we have this notification of the empty call. We have set additional diagnostic info to Google Meet, but there's no quick access because I'm not using a workspace account. So if you're using a workspace account under here on the general, you're going to see quick access. And from the quick access, all right, so on the general, you're definitely supposed to find the host control section, but if you don't find it here, then just head over here, go back to the main screen and select host controls, and on the host controls you should now find it here. So go ahead and find quick access. If you don't, I'm going to turn on host management. So if you don't see quick access, it means you cannot enable the quick access feature. It's not for you. All right, so you're supposed to find all of them here. So go ahead and toggle on quick access. This means that anyone with the meeting link will join automatically without needing to be admitted by the host. Guests from outside your organization will still be in the waiting room and the host will need to admit them. All right, so you can also enable quick access from Google Calendar invitations, which is pretty much optional. If you're scheduling meetings to Google Calendar, you can enable quick access in the calendar invite. Open the Google Calendar event for the meeting, click on event details and find add Google Meet video conferencing. Then once you click on that, toggle quick access on when you set up invites so that attendees within your domain will join the meeting automatically. That's it. So how do you automatically admit guests from your organization if you're using Google Workspace? With quick access enabled, anyone from your organization can join automatically. However, if they are external guests, you still need to admit them manually. So if you want guests from outside your organization to join automatically, as a Google Workspace user, you will need to adjust the meeting link settings for those external participants through your Google Admin Console. But this is typically reserved for higher tier admin privileges. So when quick access is turned off, all participants will wait in the lobby until the host admits them, which is pretty much hideous. This ensures you can control who joins, especially if there are guests outside your organization. And that's how you can set up automatic admitting for participants in Google Meet, at least for those within your organization. If you're using Google Workspace, you can streamline the process and focus more on your meeting. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.